Oh. Hello everyone, and welcome back to Daily Update, my 1000 Day Challenge. This is day 936, so let's get things started. Alright, so just running a very quick run through, you see that across the board on the US equity or China equity itself, there was a very clear shift of momentum across the board to a more bearish sentiment. You can see that all of them break the 200 exponential moving average on the daily chart simultaneously, or at the very minimum showing signs of resistance at the very same point of inflection in that sense. So see over here, S&P 500 shift of momentum, and target over here before potential bounce. Over if you look in terms of Nasdaq-wise, same thing, break below the 200 exponential moving average as well. Potential support lies around here. And then for ASH itself, we did actually, we were actually below it and actually get out and show that clear sign of rejection, which is not what we want to see, especially when we are bouncing off this last clear zone of support in that sense. So definitely still leaning towards the bearish side for short-term wise, and the shift of momentum has taken place. And then overall in terms of KWAC wise, similarly we break through right below the 200 exponential moving average on the daily chart and below this supportive zone. So if it does break through that, I do think that the next level will be somewhere along here in that sense. So yeah, so let's be very cautious in terms of at this moment in time, although in between there could be some support over here as well. So yeah, let's see how things goes, but definitely this is leaning towards a more bearish kind of sentiment right now. All right, overall, if you look in terms of Bitcoin yesterday, we actually did close a red candlestick itself. Again, there was a spike in volume, so very clearly there was showing a bearish engulfing like kind of a candlestick attempt. Volume did increase, and then price was very clearly pushed downwards, and then we didn't even manage to make a higher high. So all these are clear signs that we are not actually breaking towards the upside. I do hope that we are getting supported at the 220 exponential moving average on the daily chart. Otherwise, I do think that the next level of support will potentially be around here, which is around the 21.8K region itself, which to me is the last level of support that we'll have strongly before we actually potentially consolidate over here, which will also be a really good sign. In fact, I think wanted over here to actually consolidate longer before we actually push towards higher high in that sense. All right, with that said, I don't see, oh, anyway, the long side trade that entered over here would have already triggered the stop loss. So I already closed out this trade itself. If you have entered the trade for a long trade for one last shift, this is why I say it was actually a dangerous move, simply because it could run out of steam. And even if it does hit, steam isn't having much of a steam left in that sense. All right, in any case, with that said, I've come to the end of today. If you guys have any questions, feel free to drop by your comments below. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Take care. Bye-bye.